What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I'm going to be previewing an early pair. I think you guys are really going to like it. I'm actually a big fan of these in hand. I could see why people wouldn't like them, but I can also see why people would really like these, and I'm one of those people that's, a pretty big fan of them. But I usually like SBs, but we're going to get into this video showing y'all the pair and everything with the dinner plate SB Dunk Low, also known as the ESCARGOT SB Dunk Low. It has two names. That are kind of known to the public. You can go with either one. I think the ESCARGOT is the official name, but yeah, we'll get into it. And I also want to give a quick shout out to my channel members, Hawaiian Ice 3, Bren70403, and also Carlos Aguirre. I think these are the first three people that have joined, so if you guys are interested in seeing the memberships, what they offer, I'll pin that in the comment down below. It's also under the join button on my channel. I'll be posting exclusive videos, early pair previews there, like before I post videos on them, other stuff like that. So if you're just trying to stay in the loop, or again, even get free shipping with me, if you do business with me on Instagram, which you guys can check that out down below as well. If you're trying to buy and sell with me, then yeah, feel free to check those memberships out. And you can also check out my IG if you're ever trying to do business. I'll be trading again soon there. For anybody that's interested in trading pairs, stuff like that, soon I'll be doing it again. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. You'll have to check that all out down below. I just want to get into showing you guys this pair. Super cool in hand. It's one of the main things I can say. This would be a really good SB for to start your SB collection with. I would say that. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you guys want more content like this. Let's try and hit 200 likes in this video. That'd mean a lot. And yeah, we can just get into showing you guys this pair. Don't forget to check out my project I got on the way, coming very soon. Also got the Instagram page down there. If you like paying less for kicks, stay tuned there. But that's all I need to say. I've said enough. And let's get into showing y'all this SB Dunk Low, the dinner plate. So first things first, kind of with these up close. I feel like the photos that were online, they're a little bit different than how these actually look in hand. And I'm going to show y'all what I mean by that. So first things first, the material that we got on the toe box right here, you kind of see what I'm saying? It's not a suede material whatsoever, but this is completely different, you know what I mean? It didn't really show this in photos, it just kind of looked green. I was like, oh, it's just like a green suede, and we got like a brown suede as well, because that's what this, it feels like it is, but I don't think this is suede either. It just doesn't seem like it. We got a very interesting choice of materials on the sneaker, you see what I'm saying? So a little bit different. I really like the metallic swoosh. I think that's a really good fit, and the reason that it's metallic is because it's based off silverware. As you guys can see on the back, that's like what we got with this whole design by the heel here. It's supposed to be based off that, so just keep that in mind. And we got this colorway pretty much throughout the sneaker, so if you just need to see, again, all around view, that's what we got. And they also come with, as you guys can see, these brown laces. Pretty nice. I do not have the extra set with me. I'm going to have to get those sent to me, but it might just be this set. I mean, I would imagine there would probably be another pair. I'll check on the inside of this one to see if I maybe just forgot about them or something. I don't think I grabbed them with this pair. But yeah, you also got kind of these metallic ends, aglets on the end of the laces. So that's pretty nice. I think that's a nice touch. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. But also, I will show you guys the tongue tag on these. Just a Dunk Low Pro. Hopefully you can spot that. Nothing. It doesn't say anything fancy on them. Like, it doesn't say Nike SB Escargot or, Nike SB Dinner Plate. It just says Dunk Low Pro on both of them. So nothing too crazy or unique there. These don't seem like they are actually a collaboration with anybody. Like, this is just a general release kind of GR Nike SB. Because I'm not seeing, I haven't heard of it, being a collaboration with, some sort of Nike designer or anything like that. It just seems like this is Nike's shoot. But maybe it's a collaboration with somebody. But I have not seen that information anywhere. So from what I know, this is just Nike making their own thing, which is a very, very good GRSB if that ends up being the case, which I believe it is. So you guys can see the soles on these also. We got kind of this brown speckled pattern going throughout it. Then the green center is kind of that bright lime green. I guess you could say, yeah, that's more fitting, kind of like a lime green. And there's what the soles look like overall. So pretty nice sneaker. That's one of the main things I can say. I really like how they capture, that dinner plate feel. Like, it really does, just kind of look like a dinner plate. Like, you got the silverware, and then you kind of, the different entrees, different things you would have in your plate. And then obviously the main reason these are called the dinner plates, I have to show y'all this. I'm gonna turn on my flashlight for this to make sure I give y'all a good view of this. But hopefully you can see that. The dinner plate, actual, you know what I mean? Like, that's the whole, as you can see, yeah, the little dinner plate on the inside of the sole right there. I thought that's a pretty cool thing to show you guys. I don't think it's focusing very well, but, and for anybody curious, that is on both of the insoles, so I will show you guys that right now. But yeah, that is on both of them. So that one right there, that one right there, you can see the dinner plate and silverware is on the inside. So overall, that's kind of what we got going on with the design of the outside of the sneaker. That's at least what the concept for the sneaker is. It's, you more or less see it on the insoles, and also the material they chose to use, really, really fancy. It's like a suede almost on the inside of the sneaker. You know what I mean? Instead of them putting it on the outside of the shoe, it's on the inside. And I gotta again turn on my flashlight again for this to kind of give y'all a good view of it. But you see what I'm saying? It's like a really nice material that they chose to put on the inside of the sneaker. So these overall would be very, very comfortable. That's one of the main things I could say. These are very, very well made, just for being a regular Nike SB, not being, you know, a specific collaboration with anybody. Because I haven't, again, they usually, if it's a collaboration, they'll put, you know, who they're collaborating with on the tongue tag. Like they'll embroider, it'll say Nike SB and then whoever the collaborator is. It won't just say Dunk Low Pro, but it just says Dunk Low Pro on both of them. So overall, very nice GRSB from Nike that is on the way this summer, I believe. That's one of the main things I could say. So I'm calling them the dinner plates because that's, you know, easier for me to remember. I think, again, with the actual dinner plate, you know, on the inside, it like fits, you know what I mean? But you can call them escargot because I believe these are based off, it's something to do with like the Paris and the City of Dreams, and I think it might have something to do with the Trocadero Gardens. That recent SB as well might be slightly connected with it, but I could be wrong on that. But let me know your thoughts on this one. We will be seeing them fairly soon. And just such a nice SB Dunk Low. I'll definitely show you guys some B-roll shots in a second so you can get a better up-close view. But man, I mean, these are well done. These are well done. Like, you got that kind of green Nike logo that's embroidered on the back there. That is on top of, again, that kind of metallic look right here for the silverware. Because, you know, you kind of see the fancy design right there. That's what it's supposed to be based off. I don't know why it's so... It keeps focusing on my face. I'm trying to focus on the back of the shoe. So there we go. Yeah, there's a better view of that. But overall, really well done, really well built. Soles are pretty cool too. So aside from showing y'all some of the up close details, everything we got with just this regular GRSB, which is fire, by the way. I think these are fire, right? So that's one of the main things I'm gonna say about it. But aside from that, let's get into showing you guys everything we got with this SB Dunk Low and some of the other details with it. Since it's pretty cool, we'll show you some B-roll shots, and then we'll head into the outro. So yeah, let's do that.